This is Miss Farmer. I know that I have spoken to a few of you guys throughout the year, but I wanted to send you a message saying I hope you have a wonderful holiday. I'm also going to give you some updates on what we're going to be doing this semester. We are in the second semester now, so we're in the home stretch. We are going to kind of talk about a little bit how our homeroom works. I know it's a little bit different than other homerooms. So with my homeroom, your homeroom teacher. I can be your point of contact. I can be here for email. I am going to set up some more ways for you to contact me. So I'm going to send you out a number that we can text if you prefer text messaging. We are also going to send up a remind so that we can have conversation via remind if that's easier for you as well. I can send out alerts and reminders. But I am going to be that person that is someone you're going to reach out to if you need something that doesn't involve a particular subject. I'm also going to be hosting your NWEA testing. So you will have these, it says testing, they're more of diagnostics if you think about that. We want to see how you're growing throughout the year. So the first one we are going to have is next week, and it is January 14th. Is the 14th and 15th, so you'll see that on your Class Next schedule. It just looks a little bit different because you're going to see it under my name. I know on Thursday mornings you guys go to Miss Kimmel's class. She helps me on Thursday mornings to host those classes, and I hope that you're having a great time with her. For everything else, it's going to be with me. This semester we're going to have a little bit more contact. We're going to be talking about your NWEA testing. We're going to talk about your state testing and making sure your locations are the right place. But you will be getting all that information through me via email. If you ever have any questions, you can email me. My email is afarmer@flccacademy.org, and you'll get it as well when I send out this email. Or you can call me at 904-247-3268, and my extension is 5093. I'm also going to send you out the remind if you want to sign up for remind. I'm also going to send you my Google Voice number in case you want to text, if that's easiest for you. But if you have any questions, reach out to me. I look forward to this semester. We're in the home stretch now, and I look forward to talking to you.